गणानायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Our guest has arrived. Let's begin with Tamil Thai Varthu.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெழிதொழுகும் சீராறும் பதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமெனில் எக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடர்கள் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் வணங்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறம்பியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I feel proud to be part of Elite Institution where we are taught by such great teachers whose teaching beyond the classroom. I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. P. Sri Jodi, who crafted me to reach my destination. I am so honored to be able to welcome you as for the inauguration of a mobile application with our chief guest, Ms. Priyadashni Rajkumar. I am so excited to have my Garba mobile app inauguration with you all here in this auspicious day. I know you tied up with a lot of commitments on the occasion of Vinayaga Chaturthi, but you are spending your valuable presence for the launch. Thank you. Let's have a brief about the Garba mobile app by Dr. P. Sri Jodi, Head Department of Visual Communication, Wales Institute.
Good morning, everyone joined here. Like-minded peoples joined together to support the Jayalakshmi here. And today I'm just giving an introduction about this Garba. Actually, this mobile app applications or one of the aggressive market right now, and it is trending upcoming technology focusing the specified audiences. And here the Garba is an innovative mobile application interconnected with the global network to have accessible communication designed exclusively for pregnancy women. Garba uses the mobile device platform to help the pregnancy women, in particular the mothers, to know the unknown of their maternity, motherhood, traditional and personal health care, psychological care, and etc. The Garba app highlights the Tamil and English language. The information available in the application will make women be a part of the Garba for their successful journey in their pre and post pregnancy. Actually, Jayalakshmi shows interest towards women related research, and we both discussed and find out the area which we want to focus, especially the pregnancy women, because there are so many apps for so many applications for various kinds of specified audience. Particularly these pregnancy women always have a doubt, and right now these people know, I mean, today's society or nuclear society, they are not connected mostly with their joint family system, and they are so liberal in their own society, and everyone is working right now. and so they couldn't able to find time to discuss something, and they couldn't get elders suggestions and care. So we found this could be one of the good platform to support this pregnancy women, especially for their health and motherhoodness care and idea how they have to go about. This could be, I think, this platform will help them to get a more informative suggestion and elderly support, how they can uh, move on to the next step of their pregnancy level. And hope we will be circulating this app right now, and pregnancy women and other doctors and women have to suggest this for the pregnancy women to join this app, and they have to make use of this platform, and they have to find the real fruitfulness. They have to accept that, and um, uh, they have to access to this app, and over a period we are going to test how this app will help them, and based on that, we are planning to improve the app further again, and this would help us to progress successfully. Being a woman, I always support other women, and I wish Jayalakshmi for her initiative and good focus for the good thought. Jayalakshmi, you can go ahead, I think so, and all the best for launching this event today. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiration words. Now, I would like to inaugurate the Garba mobile app logo. Now, we have an AV for a honorable chief guest, Ms. Priyadashni Rajkumar.
இது வரைக்கும் நான் பண்ணது எல்லாமே இந்த ஹைஃபை பாஸ் உருவாக்குனாரு எனக்காக.
உங்களுக்கு கேரக்டரே பாலச்சந்திரன்
சார் எஸ் இந்த ரெமோ டீம் என்னோட பிக்சர்ஸ் பார்த்து இவங்களை வந்து ஆடிஷனுக்கு கூப்பிடணும். அப்போ கூட ஐயோ ஒரு அம்மா கேரக்டர் பண்ணணுமா, கிவ் மீ சம் மோர், க்ரை அ லிட்டில் பட் யூ டூயிங் ரியலி வெல், கோ ஆன் ஒன் டேல அந்த ஃபுல் கிளைமேக்ஸை ஷூட் பண்ண லுக் எவ்ரி திங் வில் கோ லைக் இன் ஆடுகளம், நோ மேக்கப் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் லுக்.
எவ்வளோ நேரமா கூப்பிடுது? ஏன் லேட்? கேமரா ஒன் 3, 2, 1, let's roll.
To introduce our chief guest, Ms. Priyadashni Rajkumar. Priyadashni Rajkumar is a well-known actor who has graduated from the Government College of Fine Arts, Chennai. She had a performing debut in Tamil tele-serial Premi, directed by O.K. Balachandra. Her commendable acting skill made her appear in blockbuster movies like Acham Enbadu Madamayada, Kavan, Mr. Chandramouli, Remo, and Sarpata Parambarai till date. Apart from being an actor, she has one more feather to add to a colorful cap as a social worker. She was also lauded with the Best Lady Award from the Rotary membership of Adambakam and awarded Dazzle Miss India World Classic 2018. She is also a secretary of Saraswati Education, Cultural and Charitable Trust. We are very happy to have a versatile actor with us. Hearty welcome, ma'am. Kindly share a few words with us.
Good morning, everybody. Happy Vinayakar Chaturthi, and my hearty congratulations to Jayalakshmi for this wonderful thought to create an app like this, and also to be launching it on such an auspicious day. So it was wonderful to hear about the app from Dr. Sri Jyoti, and I also received a synopsis of what the app is about. And I have to commend Jayalakshmi for coming up with this idea, because not only does this app address medical things that people may be concerned with, but home remedies, oh, traditional, traditional things that grandmothers used to, pass on to daughters and daughters to their daughters, etc. See, the thing is that we don't live in a joint family system anymore in these days. And many of the young mothers are all abroad. They don't live near their families. They're either in a different city or they are overseas in a foreign country which doesn't have all these amazing home remedies. So this is a great way with the means of a mobile phone where you can access every single thing that you need to know, in a pregnancy, that your mother would have told you, that your grandmother would have given you, that kind of advice. So I'm so looking forward to seeing this app. First of all, I want to say that today I'm wearing pink because pink is the color of women and women's upliftment and also of motherhood. So I am very, very thrilled that that people are considering motherhood and womanhood with such importance. I wish that when I was having a child, I had something like this to help me and guide me. I was away from my family members and they were not being able to help me. Uh, so we were not able to actually do much at that time. So I'm very, very glad that Jayalakshmi has come out with this ingenious concept that will really help mothers around the world to be able to manage their pregnancy the best way they can, and also give birth in the best way and create a great life for their newborn baby. So congratulations, Jayalakshmi. And I'm sure this app will receive a lot of recognition, a lot of support, because everybody wants to know so much about becoming a mother, managing a pregnancy, and having a early baby. Particularly, I love the Indian touch. I love the fact that we have Tamil as well as in in English, and it will also be good in a later stage if you develop in Hindi also, because many of these cultural things connected, we can maybe the next upgrade can also be in Hindi, so that women across India who are connected with this kind of traditional medicines and traditional remedies for feeling sick during pregnancy, for feeling this way, that way, how to not get nausea, how to not get acidity, all these things, they would be very much helped by this, by the what you have to say as well. So my friends, I'm so happy that today is a great day with the blessings of Vinayakar. We should, have a great start to this app and it should reach great heights. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your commendable words. Now we have a glance at the Garba mobile app. This is the sign up page for the new users. After signing up, signing in option for existing user, and we have a home screen, the two languages, English and Tamil. On whichever language is preferable, we can convert it. And we have two sections like maternity and infant. In doctors, we have many specializations, like we have added Siddha, Ayurvedic, homeopathy, allopathy, psychiatrist, speech pathologist, and dietitian, nutritionist. Everybody come under the doctor section. And we have pediatrics, where related content related to infant, everything is uploaded both in English as well as in Tamil. And we have personal care informations related to pre and post pregnancy. The total care of the maternity, this comes under personal care. And we have added breastfeeding, the position, and what all medicines can be taken, and that comes under the foodie. And we have trending thing comes under traditional. In traditional, I've added party vaidyams, like it dates back to our granny's generation. And we have content related to videos by expert doctors have shared their videos. And we have blogs, where we can ask your queries. If you have any queries, you can suggest doctors. They give good answers and review for you. In blog, we can add queries to the doctors. They reply to you. We have shared a page for article. It related to the content which is given by the experts, and we have menses record. We can store our periods date, the first date and the ending date, and we can have some suggestions during periods. We may have some cramp or headache or so on, so we can mention those content, and it will be stored, and we will have a detailed menses record. In memories, we can store our memories, like for example, today I'm getting pregnant, and if a child born and saying amma, appa, so these content can be stored in childhood memories. All about, I need all your support for my application to get familiar, and I want every woman to access this app. It will be very useful for them to have a better booming in coming generation. Now we have vote of thanks. It's my pleasure to thank all those who made this virtual inauguration a successful one. Firstly, I would like to thank our respected and most eminent chief guest of the day, Ms. Priyadarshini Rajkumar, for gracing today's live session with a valuable presence. Thank you, ma'am, for your every thoughtful, provoking address and for making the live a resounding success. I take this opportunity to thank Wales Institute of Science and Technology and Advanced Studies for encouraging and supporting me to do more on my research in the field of interest. I heartfelt thanks to my Dr. Sri Jyoti, Head Department of Visual Communication, Vistas, for providing me immense support to make the Garba mobile application launch and webinar successful. With her, I couldn't have this moment. A special word of thanks to the Garba team for the smooth flow for this virtual inauguration. Special thanks to everyone who are all attend this webinar. You made most cherish of this mobile app inauguration. Thank you. Now we have national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you all.
Thank you, Jayalakshmi. All the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Jayalakshmi. All the best.
Thank you.